Welcome to Urban Life Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and jungle survival. Today we're going to have a look at the Big Blue upgraded 28-watt solar panels. I got this specifically for my urban apartment bug-out bag and was interested to see its effectiveness for hiking, camping and bushcraft. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so by hitting the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. It will really help the channel out. Thanks. This upgraded Big Blue 28-watt solar panel system is extremely portable, as you can see. It's also very lightweight. Now, when closed, it measures 11.1 inches by 6.3 inches and is 1.3 inches thick, and it weighs 22.55 ounces or 640 grams. Now, when you unfold it, it opens up to 34.1 inches, that's entire length, and the width is 11.1 inches, and the thickness of each kind of the panel is 0.2 inches. So you can see it's really thin, and I can't even fit this really in the frame of the camera, but you get the idea. Packs down, as you can see, really small as before. Now, this 28-watt Big Blue has 4 panels. Each panel is 7 watt. So the power is 4 times 7 watts for a total of 28 watts. Now, the solar panels convert up to 24% of solar power into free energy as long as there's enough sunlight. The panels are also very rugged and very durable, which makes it great for outdoor use. There are altogether 3 of these USB ports, and that's over here inside this pocket. There is this kind of a waterproof cover which kind of seals everything in. But basically these are 3 times 5 volt by 2.4 ampere USB ports. So as mentioned, this rubber cover really protects it from water and dust damage. So to use this system, what you need to do is to connect a power bank or a smartphone to this USB port. Now, they do provide you with a USB cable, and this is a USB to Type-C cable. So if you're using Apple products or any other proprietary cables, you would have to provide your own. But you can put up to 3 devices at one time when you charge. And the great thing, you can tuck it in the pocket over here so that if you leave this in the sun, you don't expose your device directly to the sunlight. Now, the solar panels will not generate enough power to charge a laptop or power station. This is meant for small 5-volt devices. The Big Blue is compatible with virtually any small device that charges with a USB cable. As an example, it fully charged my 5000 mAh power bank in about 90 minutes. The Big Blue also provides 100% safe charging with overcurrent, overheating, and short circuit protection. So what is the verdict on the upgraded Big Blue 28-watt solar panels? First, I should mention it is made in China, but that shouldn't be any worry because the best solar panels are all made in China. And my initial impressions on the performance and the overall look and build actually are very positive. The solar panels definitely work, and they charge power banks and devices fast when the sun is bright enough. So that's very important. I mean, for solar power, obviously you need the sun out. Now, the whole system is also very portable, which is why I chose it for my urban apartment bug-out bag. But I can see this working hikes, as an emergency backup power generator, or for camps. If you pair it up with a portable wind turbine like the Tex Energy Infinite Air 5T, you'll be able to harness both solar and wind power to charge your devices day and night. The price of this set of solar panels is currently US $57. I got it from Amazon. With shipping, it's just over $70 US. I have seen both more expensive systems and much cheaper systems. And of course, you have to take note of the wattage as well, just to make sure you're comparing apples with apples. This is probably somewhere in the middle or just north of the middle in terms of price. While I've not put the solar panels through heavy use, if you're looking at a lightweight portable solar panel solution, this might work for you. The design is really good. One thing I didn't mention are these grommets. There are 4 grommets, as you can see, or eyelets, all the way at the end. And really, this is for you to hang it from somewhere or to hold it down. You could stick it down if you need, or use paracord to tie it in place. They also provide you with these 4 lightweight aluminum carabiners that you can use to hook and hang it if you want to angle it in maybe a certain way. I've actually seen people attach this to backpacks and go hiking with this opened up on their back to kind of try to charge their devices. I'm not sure if that will really work or how effective that is, but I think it's worth a shot and maybe I will give it a try. But what do you think of the upgraded Big Blue 28 watt solar panels? Do you own this? And if you do, have you used it extensively? How good is it? Are there any faults, any problems? Let us know in the comments below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.